In this video, we will show you how to file a government entity diesel fuel tax return. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password, then click Login. On the Online Services profile page under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Diesel Government Entity hyperlink. This will take us to the Diesel Government Entity account page. Under the Periods tab, click on the return period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the third quarter 2019 period, which is displayed by its return end date of September 30th, 2019. Click the File Return hyperlink next to the period for which you are filing. This brings us to the Report of Diesel Fuel Transactions page. Report all diesel fuel transactions that occurred for the filing period to the nearest gallon. In this example, we have 536 gallons of undyed diesel fuel in bulk storage at the start of the period, and 29,063 total gallons of undyed diesel fuel purchased. After entering our values, click Next. This brings us to the Government Entity Tax Return or Claim for Refund page. Report all gallons of dyed and undyed diesel fuel used on and off highway to the nearest gallon. In this example, we have 28,327 total gallons of undyed diesel fuel used, and of that, 5,242 gallons were used off-highway, resulting in 23,085 taxable diesel fuel gallons used on highway. After entering our values, click Next. This brings us to the diesel fuel tax paid to retail vendors page. The total tax paid on undyed diesel fuel gallons used will be automatically calculated based on previously entered figures. If you have paid California diesel fuel tax to retail vendors on diesel fuel, you will enter the amount on the second row. You can find the California Undyed Diesel Fuel Worksheet on the second page of the PDF form of the Government Entity Diesel Fuel Tax Return. Please note, this screen will not permit you to enter a higher tax amount paid than what is calculated on the first line. For example, if we enter $11,000 under California diesel fuel tax paid to retail vendor on fuel, an error will appear preventing you from proceeding as the credit is greater than the calculated credit, $10,198. In our example, we will enter $10,198 for the tax amount that we paid to vendors, and then we will click Next. On the summary page, the system will display the total balance or credit due. Any rates reflected in this example are for illustration purposes only. Please visit our website for current rates at cdtfa.ca.gov. A balance will appear as a positive number and a credit will appear as a negative number. Please review and make sure everything is correct. Then click Next. Enter your required information and click Submit. A window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your return is true, correct, and complete. Please read the information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will not receive a confirmation email. This confirmation page represents a return filing only. Please take note of your confirmation number and the total amount due. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To make an electronic payment, click Make a Payment. To print your submitted return, click Print Return. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115. California Relay Service at 711.